KKJ चॅनलांतो सर्वांचे नमस्कार. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Adsara Polo. Adsara means tender coconut. This Adsara Polo is made as a breakfast or snack and is usually accompanied with a very favorite of all GSPs, dali toy. Any spicy hummus or edgay too goes well with this. Since it's an instant one which does not need fermentation, you can make this very quickly. For this, the flesh of a tender coconut or a very jiva coconut, otherwise you can use a not very dry coconut. Here I am taking 2 cups of raw rice, wash and soak it for about 4 hours. Then grate this very fresh coconut. Use as much as you want to make soft polos. Add the grated coconut and soaked rice in a mixer. And grind to a smooth paste. You can make steamed undi too if you grind to a little coarse thick batter. Grind rest of the rice and coconut. And now it's all ground to a smooth batter. Add salt to taste and a teaspoon of jeera. Mix well. Now the batter is ready to make polos. Usually I grind in the evenings, refrigerate and use in the morning. Now heat a tawa and drop a ladle full of the batter. If it is a non-stick one, wait a second and then spread, as otherwise you cannot spread evenly. Cover and cook till done. Usually they are best eaten soft, so no need to roast them. Repeat with the rest of the batter. Serve them hot with any spicy hummus or our favorite dalitoi. You can also add sugar to the batter to make sweet polos too. Another version is to cut up the polos into small pieces and then mix it with choon, a mix of grated jaggery and coconut. This makes for an excellent snack and is also offered as prasad on Krishnashtami. Do try this out and let me know if you liked it.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.